Everyone, welcome to Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to taught next PYQ of IIT JAM 2023. So our question is, the number of permutation in S4 that have exactly 2 cycle in their cycle decomposition is equals to, and these all are the options. So first we see the partition of S4. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 1 and 4. So this all are the partition of 4. So here we see which partition have exactly 2 cycles, this partition and this partition. That is the element of type A, B and CD, and second the element of type ABC and D. So now we will have to see this number of element of this type and element of number this type. The first 2 plus 2 type. So 2 plus 2 type is equals to 4 factorial upon 2 square into 2 factorial. That is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 4 into 2. That is equal to 3. And next of type 3 plus 1, that is 4 factorial upon 3 into 1, that is equals to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 3 into 1. This cut, and this is equals to 8. So total number of permutation of exactly 2 cycle decomposition, that is this type plus this type, is equals to 3 plus 8, which is equals to 11. So the number of cycle decomposition which have exactly 2 cycles in their cycle decomposition is equals to 11. So this is the solution of this question. So if you like this video, then hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.